Hey everyone! Did you know the Realme GT 7 Pro might be getting a serious upgrade? Yeah, that's right. Stick around because we are diving into some exciting details about this powerhouse of a phone and its potential Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset upgrade that could blow your mind. Alright, let's kick things off by talking about the Realme GT 7 Pro. This phone has been making waves in the smartphone world with its sleek design and impressive specs. But the talk of the town is the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This little beast is known for taking performance to the next level, and it's a game changer for anyone who loves gaming, multitasking, or just wants a smooth user experience. So, what does this mean for the GT 7 Pro? Let's find out. Now, while the Realme GT 7 Pro is pretty impressive, it does have its limitations. When you stack it up against competitors like the latest models from Samsung or the iPhone, you might notice some hiccups in processing power, especially during heavy multitasking or intensive gaming sessions. Users have reported occasional lag, and while it's not a deal-breaker, it does leave room for improvement. The good news? That's where the Snapdragon 8 Elite comes in to potentially save the day. Speaking of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, let's dive into what makes this chipset so special. First off, it's built for performance. Whether you're gaming on the go or juggling multiple apps, this chipset is designed to handle it all. Imagine smoother graphics, faster load times, and an overall snappier experience. Plus, it boasts enhanced AI capabilities, which means smarter battery management and even better optimization of resources. That's right, folks. You could see significantly improved performance across the board, whether you're into mobile gaming or just everyday tasks. Now, here comes the exciting part. If the Realme GT 7 Pro indeed gets this Snapdragon 8 Elite upgrade, we could be looking at some jaw-dropping benchmarks. Picture this: faster frame rates in your favorite games, seamless multitasking without any stutters, and an overall experience that rivals some of the top-tier devices out there. With all these potential enhancements, users can expect a phone that not only meets but exceeds their expectations. It's like giving your phone a much-needed supercharge. To wrap it all up, we've explored how the Realme GT 7 Pro currently stands and the potential impact the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset upgrade could have. This upgrade could take performance to new heights, making the GT 7 Pro a serious contender in the smartphone market. If you're a fan of this device or just love tech in general, this news is definitely something to keep an eye on. So, what do you think about the potential upgrade? Are you as excited as I am? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to check out my other videos for the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.